If you're planning a party at home, tiramisu is the only dessert you need. It is easy to make and caters many people at once. And obviously, there's the added bonus of chocolate and cocoa. You can use instant coffee of your choice or brew a single shot of espresso. We used 1 cup of water, but I recommend half a cup of water for a better coffee flavor.
सबसे पहले आपने लेने हैं अंडे होने चाहिए रूम टेम्परेचर पे। ये स्टेप बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसके बगैर रेसिपी अधूरी है। आपने अंडे की सफ़ेदी को इस तरह फेंटना है जिस तरह आपकी अम्मी ने आपको बचपन में फेंटा था, सही तरह फेंटी लगाई थी, उसी तरह इसको भी फेंटना है जब तक ये फुल सफ़ेद होकर थिक और क्रीमी ना हो जाए।
मिलावट करनी है आपने चीनी और जर्दी की। पहले चम्मच से इसको अच्छी तरह मिला लें और फिर हैंड मिक्सर से खूब मिलाएं जब तक इसका रंग उड़ ना जाए, बिल्कुल वैसे जैसे आपका फाइनल एग्जाम्स का पेपर देके हो जाता था। Mascarpone cheese is one of the main ingredients that gives tiramisu its significant and rich taste. Smooth out the mascarpone with spatula and then gently fold into the yolk mixture. Whip the thickened cream with the hand mixer to form firm peaks, but do not over whip, otherwise it will turn into butter. Whipped cream को mix करेंगे yolk mixture में ऐसे चुटकी बजाते हुए। ना, let me rewind that. Gently fold the mixture while making sure there are no lumps. Now mix the egg whites into the yolk mixture. Remember to gently fold and do not overmix. Wrap with a cling sheet and refrigerate for about 30 to 40 minutes. Soak your biscuits slightly into the coffee solution. Make sure to dip slightly, otherwise the biscuits will break and turn out soggy and mushy. And trust me, you don't want a wet, soggy tiramisu. After a layer of biscuits, pour over the creamy mixture. You can also use a piping bag. Level the mixture by an angled, flat spatula and repeat the process. We experimented with cups as well, and to have more defined layered lines, we used cocoa powder on top of biscuits and then poured the mixture. You can see how pretty and obvious do the layers look. Please keep your tiramisu overnight in the fridge to set firmly, and dust cocoa powder only when you're about to serve, otherwise the cocoa will appear damp if set overnight. You can decorate with dark chocolate shavings and wafer rolls for an elegant look.
कैसा दिया आपको? हैं?